Oh my goodness, it is so amazing. It's my KONA ice.
KONA ice?
Yes.
Where'd you get KONA ice at school?
At Rock Spring Elementary.
No way.
Yes. The KONA ice truck will be here for open house.
That is awesome.
I know, and guess when open house is?
When?
Tomorrow! Yes, so we're so excited. Open house is tomorrow from 4:30 to 6:30. You can come meet your teacher. Are you excited?
Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to see all the kids and all the teachers and everybody back in our building.
And all the parents.
Yes.
So Rock Spring kids, you better tell your parents, because if you are a Rock Spring Rocket, you get a free KONA ice slushie. It's going to be awesome.
I can't wait.
You better be here. Let's go Rockets!
See you there.